This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.
In our endless search for perfected flight performance, our engineers at Emax have revisited the Tiny Hawk platform in order to optimize the user experience in the Tiny Hawk 2. With improvements made in every area, pilots will be able to navigate their aircraft in a variety of situations. The first of these improvements stems from the redesigned FPV transmission system. By partnering with the experts over at RunCam, the Tiny Hawk 2 features the Nano 2 FPV camera, known for its crisp colors, wide dynamic range, and sharp optics. Modifying the video transmitter with more filters and power has allowed the Tiny Hawk 2 to have cleaner video than ever on 25 milliwatts, the indoor standard, as well as 100 milliwatts and 200 milliwatt options for increased range and object penetration while experiencing crystal clear video. Featuring motors which have a 7% increase in power, faster propeller speeds are achievable, allowing an increase in speed, giving pilots an edge against the competition. In order to compensate for the higher achievable speeds when utilizing higher voltage batteries, the Tiny Hawk 2 features an adjustable camera mount, allowing pilots the ability to customize their preferred angle of flight. With the higher speed capabilities, the Tiny Hawk 2 frame had to be redesigned from the ground up in order to increase the durability. The result is a refreshing take on the unique aerodynamic properties of the original Tiny Hawk. Built into the frame is a throttle response LED system, which increases in brightness depending on the throttle input of each motor. By bringing racing standards into the Tiny Hawk 2, any pilot will be able to experience top-of-the-line performance, bringing out the best in each user. With the Tiny Hawk 2, Emax has again gotten one step closer towards the perfect flight experience.
Where I was born, I was raised by the new dawn, and now I sit inside the storm. Gotta work for it, every day work for it. I stand alone, can't get much higher. It's in my bones, the true survivor. I stand alone, I keep on rising up to the throne. I won't stop fighting, 'cause I stand alone. fight.